Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about Airwax Catcher reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether Airwax Catcher is a legit product or a scam one. And I would like to inform you that this is not a product, guys. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? Apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, Airwax Catcher is an airwax removal tool which is made with top quality plastic compounds which are non-toxic, highly durable and eco-friendly. So guys, this Airwax Catcher helps your eardrums being lubricated, prevents water from reaching into the air canal, and it also prevents various bacteria and dirt. So it's really very important to clean your ears on time, guys. So it is the best airwax removal tool that can use for deep cleaning. Now let's talk about other information, but guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel, and this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you guys. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit product. So guys, this is the image of this Airwax Catcher tool. It is eco-friendly as the company has stated over their web pages. You can see, guys. Apart from that, the price of this tool is $39.95. And you can also get this product at the affordable price as the company is also offering 50% discount on this amazing product. Apart from that, they have mentioned that they are offering 90-day money back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the product, and no hassle returns are there. Now talking about pros of this device, guys. So it is really very easy to use. It is ideal for all ages. It means that it is suitable for users of all ages. And apart from that, all you need to do is snap one in place, insert into your ear, and you need to twist this tool in the direction shown on the handle. You can see. And apart from that, this tool blend and adapt to any inner ear type so that they are perfect for all, guys. And it's time to stop using damaging cotton swab Q-tips because these cotton swab Q-tips can scar or rupture inner ear membranes, which can cause damage and harm. And you can start your day with the Airwax Catcher removal tool. Now guys, talking about the legitimacy of this website, so I would like to inform you that, guys, the product's official website's domain age is 10th of September 2020. This means that this particular official website is newly launched, so we can't trust on the product's legitimacy. And guys, talking about Airwax Catcher reviews, we have found positive reviews on the official website and 4.7 out of 5 rating. But apart from that, we didn't found any reviews on other platforms, guys. Apart from that, this product has no social media presence and has not got any reviews and online ratings from the current users. Guys, one of the customers said it's just small size, very easy to take around, and what I love is the extra spiral tips, 16 extra spiral tips, so handy. I may just have to buy more. So guys, these are the positive comments that we have found on the official website. However, we are not able to find any customer reviews on the online platform. So this is a negative sign again, and no social media existence makes this product quite suspicious. Apart from that, I would like to inform you that the trust index score of the product's official website is 1%, guys, which is really very bad. So there are some loopholes that makes the product quite suspicious, guys, and we highly recommend you to check everything from your site before placing any order. We do not recommend you to buy this product before exploring the entire information. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area, guys. I request you all to share your experience with this product as it will give benefit to other customers as well. Guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.